Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your AliExpress account. So first, you have to open your Google web browser, or you can simply open your AliExpress app on your mobile device, and in the search section you have to type AliExpress and click on the enter. And here you can see from the search results on the top, that's the AliExpress official website. Click on that option. And we could see we just landed to the AliExpress official homepage, and on the top right corner, right here beside the card that says sign in or register, you can simply click on this option over here, and you have to type your email. And here we could see we are also required with our password. Simply type your password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and you are simply required to click on this option that says sign in, and then you will be successfully logged into your AliExpress account. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching this video.